So today we're going to be trying to find the slope using the slope formula. And the slope formula is m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So obviously you're going to need two coordinates to figure out the slope. And you'll get those two coordinates from either a list of coordinates, a table of values, or from a graph. Remember, you only need two coordinates. So let's look at an example of a list of coordinates, and we're just going to grab two of them. And I'll grab any two, doesn't really matter. I'll rewrite them. Now what I like to do is label each coordinate with x and y, just so I know where to find them. Not only x and y, but I'll label the first coordinate x1 and y1 and the second coordinate x2 and y2. Now I'm ready to input my coordinates or the values of the coordinates into the formula. We have m equals y2. In this case, it's going to be 5. So I'll write that down, minus y1, which is going to be 7. And I move on to my x values. So I start with x2, which is going to be 1, minus x1, which is 2. And now I have my formula set up, and all I have to do is my calculations. So we have m equals, on the top, it's going to be 5 minus 7, which is going to be a negative 2. And on the denominator, you're going to have 1 minus 2, which is a negative 1. I know that two negatives equal a positive, so this is really m equals 2. So that's our slope, 2. Let's look at another example, only this time it's with a table of values. But nothing changes. You're still going to do the same exact things. You're going to grab two coordinates, and you can choose any two you like. For example, I'll choose 0, 6 and 2, 14. It doesn't really matter. Once again, I will write the x and y on top of each coordinate just so I stay organized, and I'll even write the first value and the second value. I could just set up my formula. I have m equals y2, which is going to be 14, minus y1, which is 6. And on the bottom, we could have x2 minus x1, which is 0. And I compute 14 minus 6 is 12. 2 minus 0 is 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6. Our slope is 6. Last, let's take a look at a graph, but you'll notice nothing changes. You still get coordinates. You're going to choose 2, set them up in the formula, and find the slope, like so. And that's how you find the slope. Now it's time for you to try. Pause the video, see how you do, and when you're done, unpause the video and reveal your answers. Well, hopefully you got them correct. If you did, throw in some music and have yourself a dance party. And remember, the only time success comes before work is in the dictionary. This has been a Struggling Student Productions. If you liked our video, please press the like button at the bottom and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.